Hello everyone, I'm your instructor for today. Welcome to the Daily Snippets tutorial video on how to vectorize a bitmap photo. Alright, so as you can see, I have a picture here, a bitmap photo by Gabe Rodriguez. Very nice photography. It is free to use, as you can see here. Free to do whatever you want, high resolution photos. So I can do this, I can modify the pictures, and it is right, it is not wrong for me to do so. Okay, if you don't want to use pictures from the internet, you can just use pictures from your own computer or pictures that you have taken earlier. Alright, now you just copy the picture. As you can see, I have pasted the picture into my workspace here in Illustrator. Right, as you can see here, we have one layer. If you click on the eye, the layer will be invisible. Click again, it will be visible again. Right, just double click and then just name the layer as background or reference. Right, now if you click here, you will lock the layer, so no matter what you do, you can't move it around anymore. Right, the thing about Illustrator is Illustrator has different layers, so you can work on different layers, you can hide different layers, and it makes it easier for you to work on your illustrations, and in this case, tracing. So just click on this one to create a new layer. Now we'll name this layer as the lights, for example. Right, you can just name the layer whatever you like, but I'll call it the lights. Right, so this is the pen tool. Now we can start with drawing using black outline. Just click here, double click, and then just drag it here. So the code is this 0 or O for all. So that's the code for black. Alright, just click here. Now you want to zoom in a bit. Just try to click a starting point. You can start tracing this part first. Alright, and then you don't have to be accurate for now. You can just modify the little parts later on. Just make sure you got the bits. You have the figure of the car. So if you click on the eye again, sorry, not that one, this one. Yeah, you can see that. Right. Usually, the way I work on Illustrator is I tend to create layers and then I don't really name them usually. I'll just work on layers and I'll know which one is which. But if you want to be safe, then you can just name the layers as you go by. Always remember, okay, when it comes to the layer, look at the layer again. Right, okay, let me just close this one first. Right, so if I click on this, so that's the color instead of the outline, and then I'll color this some other color as a reference. Right. So the thing about these layers, right, if you hide this, you can see that it's actually placed on top of the layer 3, and the layer 3 is actually placed underneath the lights, this layer. So that's how Illustrator works. It works by layers. Now we can just toggle this back, right? The way I work is I just outline everything. It's easier for me once I outline everything, and then I can start coloring. I'll just make it real quick. And I'm sorry, I'm a bit of a purist. I don't have mouse with me right now, so yeah, I really like using mouse, but for now I'm gonna use my trackpad. As you can see, this is a rather time-consuming process. To make things easier, I'll just fast forward everything and you can just watch the whole time lapse of the whole process of the tracing. Alright, so I'll see you at the end of the video.
discuss. Somber, I know just what you think that you need an anesthetized mouth to say all those blended things. Need you like I need a hand-aid. Need you like I need my mistakes right here. Need you like I need the downpour. I don't need you, but I need so much more right here. It's too much to discuss. Lovers, I know how much you lie. It's too much to discuss. Numbers, I know how much I let slide. Need you like I need a hand-aid. Need you like I need my mistakes right here. Need you like I need a downpour. I don't need you, but I need so much more right here. Time is always harder on the quiet days. Brings back